learn searching tornado silence.
Okay.
First the small one, first the medium, first the big one.
Okay. I'm listening. You can tell me more about it.
This is the not spinning, and this spinning, this not spinning.
Oh yeah, that's not spinning and that's also not spinning. You did a good
And
job.
this is also spin.
That spinning one, show me how it spins. Oh, that's how it spins?
Yeah!
Oh my god, that's so cool, Zayn. Thank you so much. Thank you for so much for giving us the information.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah.
How many kinds of tornado sirens are there? How many sounds are there? What's that? So what are the sounds of tornado siren? How many sounds are there?
One, two silence.
Two? Okay, sure.
Two silence and two sounds.
Okay, tell me the sounds. Sound names.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
And
High, low.
pulse.
Pulse.
Wheel.
Whale. And what else is there?
Nothing.
Oh, I think 3 are there, right? High, low, pulse, and whale. So you want to tell us how the whale sounds? How about the high, low? And how about the pulse? Wow, that is really cool. Thank you, Zayn. I'll see you next time.
Yeah, I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
And that's on TV. Do it
I'm
again.
searching tornado silence.
That's good.
There's 2 more left of tornado silence.
2 more left. Where is it?
1, 2,
That's good.
and 3.
Awesome. You want to show me how the awaj is? Sound? And how about the announcement?
Hey, that's only a test. Hey, there's only a test. Bye.
See you next time.